Hi, I'm Robert Fitzsimmons, product manager here at Volante at CrossRoads. Behind me in the Volante plant, I have our brand new 3880MK. It's a great layout, tons of space, it's a raised rear kitchen, and it has a large pull-out tray in the back for tons of storage. I'm going to walk you through it and show you why it's a unique floor plan. Let's check it out. As we step inside the 3880MK, you're going to turn into a living room which has a tri-fold sofa standard, theater seats directly across from your TV, and you have a table and chairs located in the slide out here, which is all standard. As you walk up, you are seeing a raised rear kitchen area, which is nice because tons of storage space. All built-ins in the cabinets below, some upper cabinets, residential appliances here with the microwave and the 16 cubic foot refrigerator on the rear wall. Tons of prep space, solid surface countertops located throughout the whole kitchen. A lot of windows, so when you're camping, you have a good view from all angles from standing in the rear of the coach here. Nice thing with this, it's a very open concept floor plan. So your sink located here is overlooking your living room area, which is going to have all your guests, whoever's in the unit, or maybe you're just sitting here watching TV while you're getting food ready for dinner. Fireplace is also standard, which is a 36-inch fireplace, all electric. 50-inch TV is standard, and so is the ceiling fan in the living room. You will have roller shades in the Volante HP series, which is located in the slide out here. As you walk up to your traditional front bedroom, some dresser storage there. You have a king bed with a feature wall and nightstands with USB port chargers. Your front closet, which has some built-ins, and you'll have washer dryer prep, which is standard for all of the HP series. HP series also comes standard with dual air conditioners. As we walk outside and go down the coach, something very unique. You have 5 baggage doors around this whole area. Tons of storage. Well lit, so if you're loading outside at the campground at night, you can flick those LED lights on and it will give you plenty of light to load your unit. On the back here, the cool feature is you have this pull-out tray. So this will come out a little more than halfway, but it's a long tray that holds up to 800 pounds capacity. Easy to use, whether you're loading up from the side of the coach or just loading this back up and pushing it in. Tons of storage. This is the 3880MK, brand new floor plan that we're super excited about to get to market. We feel it's very unique for our price point. If you have any questions, check out our website at crossroadsrv.com.